welcome back. Well, today I have a full house. I have Steve Moyer, Cherie Anholt, and Yolanda from Yolanda Catering and Cafe. Well, welcome all three of you to this episode of This Day. How are you guys doing?
Doing great. Thank
Doing
you.
great.
Thank you for having us.
Yes.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. It's always nice to see you guys. So, Cherie, I know I have been promoting a few different things that you guys have been doing. Tell me what's happening.
Oh, all I can say is how much we miss the seniors here. And I will continue to say that for days on end. We are just encouraging all seniors to give us a call, find out what we're doing here. We just have so much going on. I feel like we're a senior center that continues to roll with the punches, but there are really no walls. So we're doing a lot of, we're doing a lot of online things with our seniors, just trying to open up the lines of communication to let them know we are still here for them. We're doing the home delivered meals program and the grab and go program. We are being very, very safe and taking into consideration our seniors, their health and their safety. So everybody has their PPE, they have their gloves, they have their masks, and we've retrained our volunteers on how to handle the situations. For example, when we're doing our home delivered procedures, it's more of a knock and drop procedures. And so we're still there to do like a little mini, I guess you'd say, welfare check, just to check in with our seniors, but at the same time, we're really, really respecting that 6-foot social distancing. So those are our two main programs right now. And then of course, we've taken a lot of our normal programming and we've put it onto an online or an over the phone platform. So,
Right.
yeah.
Yeah, as I had mentioned, we were talking about the exercising program, which is really important. And I'm glad you are able to provide something online because, you know, people are just not willing to go outside or go to, you know, a place of where there's going to be a gathering, which I don't even think any fitness center is even open. So anything that you can do at home for exercise is awesome. So that's great. So good that you're able to convert it. I know it's taking a while, isn't it?
You know what it is, but it's an everyday event. Some of the other programs that we have, based on what the calls are that are coming in, a lot of our seniors are concerned about their driving license or their driver's license. And as you know, one of our big programs here at the Fort Sylvester is the driving resource room. So we have gotten a team of volunteers together. They've done cheat sheets and they're talking back and forth with the DMV and kind of just letting those seniors know what's going on. Answering their questions and giving them that comfort that they need. I mean, the last thing you want to do is have to deal with a driver's license in the middle of a pandemic. So again, just constantly being that support for our seniors. We're just encouraging them to give us a call.
That's great. That's good. And let's just reiterate the phone number. We've got, it's a 949-380-0155.
Yes, please call us. We're here daily from 8 to 4. Always answering the phone. So you'll get a nice warm voice over that phone just to let them know we are here.
Oh, that's nice. Not a tree where you have to pick numbers. I hate trees.
Yeah. We're also doing our online newsletter. So we've taken our newsletter, our popular newsletter, and we put it into like more of an online platform. And that again is just letting people know that we are still here and letting them know what we're doing and what's available. So
that's great. That's great. Yeah. All right, perfect. So Steve, you've got some stuff you want to catch us up on?
Yes, I'd like to talk about the Great Plates program. For those who may not know me, my name is Steve Moyer and I'm CEO of Age Well Senior Services. The County of Orange asked us, Office on Aging, asked us to become a administrator of the Great Plates program. Mm-hmm. People may recall that on April 24th, Governor Gavin Newsom came out and announced a new program to help seniors, provide restaurant meals to seniors 7 days a week, 3 meals a day. Mm-hmm. And in addition to that, in helping seniors, it also helped the restaurant industry because many of the restaurants were virtually closed. Mm-hmm. Employees were laid off. And so that was a program that is supported by FEMA and the state of California and also Orange County. The The great thing about it is that we have structured it and gone out and identified food providers. The food providers are catering companies and restaurants, and we have collectively over 25 now throughout South Orange County. Our service area is from Newport Beach, Irvine, all the way south to San Clemente, which obviously includes Laguna Woods Village. One of our great providers is here today, and that's Yolanda of Yolanda's Catering and Cafe, and she has just done an absolute job. But the program, it started in April 24th. It was set actually to expire on May 10th, and it has since each month been extended and extended, and currently it's extended to August 10th.
Right.
And Yolanda has just been, as I say, just a exemplary food provider, and the number that she delivers to just continues to grow and grow and grow because people enjoy her food.
Well, yeah, it sounds like an awesome opportunity. So Yolanda, 3 meals a day, 7 days a week. That's a lot of food.
It is, yes, but I've been a caterer for 30 years, so we know how to do it. You know?
Excellent.
Yeah, we love it. And the Great Plates program really has saved my business this far, you know, because I have no catering jobs. There is nobody's having any parties, nobody's congregating. And so this has been a lifesaver. And I'm able to retain my staff, which have been with me for 18 years.
Wow.
I was able to actually hire more of my catering staff to make all these deliveries. And so it's just been wonderful for me.
To give you an idea, Yolanda, I think she started, how many people did you start with as far as deliveries? Do you recall, Yolanda?
The first one?
Yeah,
was
the
10.
first week. Okay, so she started with 10.
Okay.
And since that time, she has grown to over 250 people a day. So
That's a lot.
that's 750 meals that she's preparing and delivering throughout each and every day. So the
That is
numbers
great.
really, yeah. And excuse me.
That's no problem. No, so I was going to say, so Yolanda, tell me about the food. Like, what do you do for breakfast?
Oh, we do anything. Like today we had baked oatmeal, which they just love. It has dried fruits in it. We do scrambled eggs and ham, pancakes, and frittata.
Wow.
We have a whole variety of breakfast food.
There is no holding back.
No.
My stomach's starting to gurgle
I
after
think I'm
this.
hungry. Let's hear what's for dinner.
Dinner, oh my goodness, anything from like pork, like sliced pork tenderloin, to
What?
chicken cordon bleu.
Wow.
To,
What is the age again?
what kind of chicken?
No, what is the age?
What was the age again? I think it's 60 and over. Darn it.
I know, huh? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, and
That is great. Well, gosh, thank you so much for your service, Yolanda. That is great.
And so many of her deliveries, quite frankly, are actually in Laguna Woods Village.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, that's great. And I know that we have a flyer. We will show all of the information, the phone number that they can participate by applying for it. And it is 60 and over. That is the age range, is 60 and over. So, well, Yolanda, thank you. That is just amazing. And we're really glad that it was able to help your business. So stay strong, because they may be extending that date again.
I hope so. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And Steve, anything else you'd like to share with us?
Yes, and for anybody who would like to sign up for the program to become eligible for it, we have an application on our website, and our website's very easy. It's myagewell.org. And in the event that they do not have a computer, they can call here at our office. And that phone number is 949-855-8033. And we will pick up and we will help the person become eligible for the Great Lakes program. Thank you.
Excellent. All right, excellent. Well, everyone, thank you so much. It's nice to see you, and Yolanda, nice to meet you. We look forward to sampling your food on this day someday. I'll bring you on. Because I want some pancakes and some pork. All right, thanks again, all of you. Have a great
Thank
day.
you. Bye-bye.
And we'll be right back after this.